Hello, and welcome to another question and answer with me, Kenneth, the English Surfu. Today's question comes from Cheng Ko En, one of my YouTube subscribers. They ask, "Hi teacher, may I know how to use kinda and sorta?" Kinda means kind of, or the word approximately. So, she was kinda cute means she was a little cute, but not really. He's kinda fat means he's a little fat, but not too fat. It's kinda small means it is a little small. So sorta basically means kinda. So just take our three examples and replace kinda with sorta. So we have she was sorta cute, he's sorta fat, and it's sorta small. Do you want to be as cool as Cheng Ko En? Then leave your question in the comments below so I can answer it in a future lesson. Also, please leave what country you are from so I can include that with the video. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you next week. Bye.